Alright guys, I am 668 miles, 0.2 in on the odometer so far on this bike. Everyone back there! Holy shit! What's up guys, and welcome back to the AV Club. It has been a little bit over, I don't know, a few weeks, so my apologies. I haven't gotten around to some of the videos I want to. One, the weather here was pretty bad. Two, I've been moving for the past week and a half across the city. I'm gonna do a review today on the ONYX and how many miles I have on it. Russian bakery. They usually have some pretty good stuff. Yeah, pretty nice day for waves. We got some surfers down here, and we got a kayaker way out there. Almost 4 months since I've had this. As you can see, the tires are definitely being used. A little bit dirty on the back fender with the light. Still have the turn signals on here. These are still the standard shocks. I'm gonna switch out to the Ego Boost here soon. They're not that expensive. Just make sure that you know how to properly install them so you don't mess up your alignment. Still have the pegs. I'm gonna switch out the back brake as well. I do need to clean the swing arm a little. I know people are switching out the pedals for pegs, but then in some states you can't pedal it, so it doesn't make it legally a bicycle anymore. A few other things I've noticed just from riding, and most other people will say it too. The battery inside here, there's a little bit extra space from, like, the battery sits roughly right about here. So when you hit bumps, you'll kind of come up here. I see a lot of people putting straps around the battery. What I'm thinking of doing is trying to find the stuff that you put on the outside of doors at car dealerships. And I'm gonna put that foam inside this battery cap. And that foam will have the distance between that and the battery. They'll actually keep the battery in place instead of having to put straps on there. So that's one of the things I plan to do. I might put a speaker in here. We'll see how that goes. For being almost 670 miles, this bike is phenomenal. I have had almost no issues with it so far. I have a cargo bag right there, just hold little knickknacks and whatever. A mirror on the left hand side just so I can see people behind me. I haven't had to refill anything. That actually, the brake fluid looks a little low. I might have to work on that here down the road. Everything has been pretty solid on the bike. The new extended range battery sold out the first day, and now it's back. It's roughly about $1,800, I want to say. And a lot of people are getting it. I don't blame them, because if you like to ride a lot, you can go over Golden Gate Bridge right there and then go up into the Northlands and then just ride around there for a few hours and come back, and you're still at maybe a quarter of a bar, like a quarter of your energy, maybe even a third of your power level, which is phenomenal. It has gotten me up to about 55 miles an hour. I'm gonna say realistically it was probably around 50 miles an hour, because the speedometer is off by 4 or 5 miles. Still got the normal controller. I might switch out to the domino throttle down the road. Got my little Deadpool guy going on right there, and got my 360 cam on the left hand side as well. Didn't get the new little USB charger port, don't really care, whatever. I took off the front fender. That thing just looked gross, and then I got this plug and play one here. Basically all it is, plastic. Yeah, you got these little magnetic mounts, and boom, just sticks on. This is my review so far, 668 miles in on the ONYX RCR. Let's go for a ride. Here, I believe, has caught something. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. What is it? Oh, looks like he caught garbage. Guys, for those of you that don't know, this is pretty much out in the outer Richmond of the outer Richmond mansions. Like, each one of these houses to the left of me is probably worth over 15 million, I don't know, 12-15 million dollars. Easy. pretty sure that thing's been there for like 30 years.